Exercise 8.3, question number first. A is equal to 3, 5, 4, minus 2 and B is equal to 2 and 4. Find is the product AB possible and give a reason. If yes, find A into B. Matrix A is 3, 5, 4, minus 2 and B is 2 and 4. First row, second row, first column, second column, that is 2 cross 2 matrix, and B matrix is first row, second row, and matrix B is first row, second row, and one column, 2 into 1. We know that if the number of columns in matrix A is equal to the number of rows in matrix B, then the product of AB defined. Its rule: number of columns in matrix A equal to number of rows in matrix B, then product of AB defined. Yes. Product of AB defined or possible. A into B equal to 3, 5, 4, minus 2 and matrix B is given 2 and 4. B multiply first row by first column, that is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 4, and second row, first column, 4 multiplied by 2 plus minus 2 multiplied by 4. First row multiplied by first column, that is first, and second row multiplied by first column, that is in second. AB, product of AB equal to 6 plus 5 4s are 20 and 4 2s are 8 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8, that will be 0, and 6 plus 20 equal to 26. So product of AB, we get 26 and 0. Answer. Given matrix A and matrix B, A is 3 and 5, 4 and minus 2, that is 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows means first row, second row, 2 columns means first column and second column. And in matrix B, that is 2 row and 1 column. As we know that if number of columns in matrix A equal to the number of rows in matrix B, matrix then product of AB defined. According to question, is the product AB possible? Yes, it's possible because number of columns in matrix A equal to the number of rows in matrix B. Then AB is defined or AB is possible. So we find the product of AB. First row multiplied by first column. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 4, that is first. And second row multiplied by first column, 4 multiplied by 2 plus minus 2 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8 minus 4 2s are 8. 20 plus 6, that is equal to 26, and 8 minus 8 is 0. Answer. Next question, question number 2. If A is equal to 2 5 1 3 and B is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 3 and 2, find AB and BA. Is AB is equal to BA? A is equal to 2 5 1 3 and B is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 3 and 2. A and B are both 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. So product of AB is defined. That is 2 5 1 3 and 1 minus 1 minus 3 and 2. AB is equal to first row multiplied by first column and first row multiplied by second column. 2 into 1 plus 5 into minus 3 and 2 into minus 1 plus 5 into 2. 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 3. 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2. Second row first column and second row multiplied by second column. So AB is equal to 2 1s are 2 minus 5 3s are 15. 2 1s are minus 2 plus 5 2s are 10. 1 1s are 1 minus 3 3s are 9. And 1 1s are minus 1 plus 3 2s are 6. So AB is equal to, that is minus 13. 10 minus 2 is 8. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus time of 8. And 6 minus 1 is equal to positive 5. And we find BA. First we write B, that is 1 minus 1 minus 3 and 2. And then 2 5 1 and 3. First row multiplied by first column, 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1. 1 into 5 minus 1 into 3. And minus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Minus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 3. Which implies we get 2 1s are 2 minus 1. 5 1s are 5 minus 3. Minus 3 2s are minus 6 plus 2. And 3 5s are 15. Minus 15 plus 6. BA equal to 1, 2, minus 4, minus 15 plus 6 is minus 9. So AB is not equal to BA. AB is minus 13, 8, minus 8 and 5. But BA is 1, 2, minus 4 and minus 9. So AB is product of AB is not equal to product of BA. A is equal to 2, 5, 1, 3 and B is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 3 and 2. First we find product of AB. First row multiply by first column and first row multiply by second column. Then second row multiply by first column and second row multiply by second column. Then product of AB is 2 minus 15 minus 2 plus 10, that is minus 13, positive 8. Minus 9 plus 1, that is equal to minus 8. And 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And BA is equal to first B then A. Product of BA, first row multiply by first column and first row multiply by second column. We get 2 minus 1, 5 minus 3, minus 6 plus 2, minus 15 plus 6, that is equal to 1, 2, minus 4 and minus 9. So product of AB is minus 13, 8, minus 8 and 5. And product of BA equal to 1, 2, minus 4 and minus 9, which is not equal. So AB is not equal to BA. Hence proved. Question number 3. If A is equal to 3, 7, 2, 4, B equal to 0, 2, 5 and 3, C equal to 1, minus 5, minus 4 and 6. Find AB minus 5C. A equal to 3, 7, 2, 4. B equal to 0, 2, 5, 3. C equal to 1, minus 5, minus 4 and 6. And we find AB. AB minus 5C. A is 3, 7, 2, 4 and B is 0, 2, 5, 3. Minus 5 into C is 1, minus 5, minus 4, 6. First row, first column. 3 multiplied by 0 plus 7 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 7 into 3. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. 2 into 0 plus 4 into 5. 2 into 2 plus 4 into 3 minus 5 multiplied by 1, 5, minus 25, minus 20, minus positive 30. That is equal to 0 plus 35 equal to 35. 3 2s are 6 plus 21, that is equal to 27. 0 plus 20 equal to 20. 2 2s are 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. Minus 5, minus 25, minus 20 and 30. That is equal to 35 minus 5. 27 plus 25. 20 plus 20. 16 minus 30, which implies 30. 27 plus 25 equal to 52. 40 minus 14. Answer. Given A, B and C, we find AB minus 5C. A is 3, 7, 2 and 4. B is 0, 2, 5 and 3. That is 2 by 2 matrix. So product of AB is equal to 3 into 0 plus 7 into 5. 3 into 2 plus 7 into 3. 2 into 0 plus 4 into 5. 2 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Minus 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. And 5 6 are 30. So 35 plus 0 is 35. 3 2s are 6 plus 21, that is equal to 27. And 0 plus 20 is 20. 2 2s are 4 plus 12, that is 16. Minus 5 minus 25 minus 20 and 30. 35 minus 5. 35 minus 5, that is equal to 30. 27 minus plus 25, that is equal to 52. 20 plus 20 minus that will be positive, equal to 40. 16 minus 30. 16 minus 30 equal to minus 14. Answer. Question number 4. If A is equal to 1 2 2 1, B equal to 2 1 1 2, find A into BA. A is equal to 1 2 2 1 and V is equal to 2 1 1 2. Find A into BA. First we find BA, that is equal to, B is 2 1 1 2 into A is 1 2 2 1. That is first row first column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Then second row multiply by first column, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. That is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 2, which implies BA equal to 4 5 5 4. And we find A into BA, that is equal to, A is 1 2 2 1 and BA is 4 5 5 and 4. So A into BA equal to 1 into 4, 1 multiply by 4 plus 2 multiply by 5. First row first column. Same 1 multiply by 5 plus 2 multiply by 4 and 2 multiply by 4 plus 1 multiply by 5. And second row second column, 2 multiply by 5 plus 1 multiply by 4. So A into BA equal to 4 plus 10, 5 plus 8, 8 plus 5, 10 plus 4, which implies A into BA equal to 14, 13, 13, 14. Answer. Given A and B is 1 2 2 1 and 2 1 1 2. We find A into product of BA. First we find product of BA. B is 2 1 1 2 and A is 1 2 2 and 1. First row multiply by first column, first row multiply by second column and their addition. Second row multiply by first column, second row multiply by second column. Then we get 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 2. That is 4, 5, 5, 4. And we find A into product of BA. That is A is 1, 2, 2, 1. And product of BA we find 4, 5, 5 and 4. Same process, product of first row and first column, product of first row and second column. First row, first column and their addition. 1 into 4 is 4 and 2 into 5 is 10. 4 plus 10 and 5 ones are 5. 1 into 5 is 5 and 2 into 4 is 8. 5 plus 8. And then second row multiply by first column, second row multiply by second column. That is 4 ones are 4 plus 5, 2 5s are 10 plus 4 ones are 4. That is 10 plus 4 is 14, 8 plus 5 is 13. So we get A into dot product of BA, that is 14, 13, 13, 14 answer. Thank you.